In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section background image on Wix. If you're looking to elevate the look and feel of your website, adding a background image is a fantastic way to create a more engaging and visually dynamic experience for your visitors. Whether you want to use your own custom images or explore Wix's free media library, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the process with ease. By the end of this video, you'll be able to fully customize any section of your site, creating a polished and professional design that reflects your brand. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your Wix site and navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a visual representation of your website, complete with all the sections and elements that make up your design. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Wix. Now, locate the specific section on your web page that you want to edit. This could be a header, a footer, or any section in between. Simply scroll through your page and find the area where you want to add your background image. Once you find it, click directly on that section to select it. When you do this, the section will become highlighted, letting you know that it's ready for editing. Next, look for an option in the toolbar labeled Change Background. This toolbar typically appears either above or to the side of the section you've selected. Once you find it, click on it. This will open up a menu that gives you various options for customizing the background of your chosen section. Within the Change Background menu, you'll see several options for how you can update the section's design. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding an image, so go ahead and select the image option. This will allow you to add a visual element to your section background. Now you have two choices for selecting an image. If you already have an image that you'd like to use, click on the Upload Media option. From there, you can upload your image directly from your computer. On the other hand, if you don't have an image ready or want to keep it simple, you can browse through Wix's free media library. This library includes a wide variety of high-quality images that you can use to enhance your site without the need for additional design tools. Once you've chosen your image, whether it's one you've uploaded or one from the Wix library, click on the image to preview how it will look. This step is important because it lets you see how the image will fit within the section before finalizing your choice. If everything looks good, hit Select to confirm your image choice. At this point, you've selected your image, but you still need to apply it to your section. To do this, simply click Change Background one more time. When you do this, the image you selected will be applied to the section, instantly transforming its appearance. And that's it. You've successfully added a background image to your section on Wix. Take a moment to view your changes and make sure everything looks the way you want. If needed, you can always go back and adjust your image or try a different one. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.